Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 7th of June, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the Euro/USD pair continued to correct downwards and reached the level of 1.2122, after which it reversed and increased slightly. Further decline is possible to the levels of 1.2065 and 1.1933. In case of the breakout of the local high at 1.2248, quotes will be able to resume growth to the global high at 1.2351. However, a downtrend scenario of price movement in the near future looks more likely, as the range of EMA fluctuations on the alligator indicator began to get narrow, and the histogram of the AO oscillator continues to form descending bars. Generally, the continuation of the decline in case of the breakdown of the level of 1.2065 seems more probable during the week. However, the continuation of growth cannot be completely ruled out. Last week, the GBP/USD pair continued its correctional lateral movement and ended trading at 1.4158. Currently, the price is making an attempt to continue its growth, but it will be possible to speak about the resumption of a serious uptrend only if the quotes consolidate above the global annual high at 1.4234. In this case, the growth will continue to the level of 1.4358. If the level of 1.4233 is not broken out, the decline will resume to the levels of 1.4089 and 1.3905. Technical indicators continue holding the global buy signal. The range of the alligator indicator EMA's fluctuations began to narrow down, and the histogram of the AO oscillator forms descending bars, being in the purchase area. Generally, the resumption of decline in case of the breakdown of the level of 1.4089 seems more likely. However, the continuation of growth cannot be completely ruled out. The USD/JPY pair continued to trade in an upward channel last week and ended trading at 109.52. In the future, the decline may continue to the levels of 108.75 and 107.48. The key level for the bulls is seen at 110.28, in the area of the last week's local high. If it breaks out, the price will be able to continue its growth to the level of 110.97. However, a serious growth in quotes in the near future looks less likely, since the fluctuation range of the EMA on the alligator indicator is not wide enough, and the AO histogram has formed the first downward bar. In general, the continuation of the decline is possible, but the resumption of growth, if the level of 110.28 is broken out, cannot be excluded. Last week, the AUD/USD pair dropped to the local support level at 0.7646, after which it reversed and reached 0.7732. If the price consolidates below the level of 0.7645, the decline will resume to the level of 0.7531. Technical indicators reversed and issued a sell signal. The fast alligator indicator EMAs crossed the signal line from above, and the histogram of the AO oscillator is forming descending bars in the sales area. In general, the continuation of the decline is possible, but the resumption of growth, if the price consolidates above 0.7814, cannot be excluded. Gold quotes consolidated above the resistance line of the global descending channel, and last week the price again reached 1855. In case of consolidation below which, it can continue to decline to the level of 1800. However, it seems more likely that the price will remain above the resistance line, and the growth will begin to the levels of 1910 and 1960. Technical indicators continue holding the global buy signal. The range of EMA fluctuations on the alligator indicator is still wide, and the histogram of the AO oscillator is trading in the purchase zone. In general, the continuation of the growth of quotations during the week seems more likely, but a decline if the price consolidates below the level of 1855 cannot be completely ruled out. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.